In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your nameplate and title here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but essentially what you're going to want to do is start on the home screen and then go ahead and select your profile icon up in the top right corner of your screen. From here, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select Customize up in the very top. And from this menu, you're going to want to either choose your nameplate section right here or your title section right here, or depending on whatever you want to change, you can also change all this stuff right here. But let's start off with this nameplate. You'd go through and you'd go ahead and select whatever one you would like. Once you have one selected, you'd go ahead and hit equip down in the very bottom, and that nameplate will now appear on your profile. Now, if the nameplate is locked, for example, and a lot of these are from the battle pass, but if it was one that you could actually obtain, there'd be an acquire button right here. You'd select that and then it would show you exactly what you need to do in order to get it. Now, to change your title, it pretty much works the exact same way. Go over the title section, go through, and then find whatever one you would like. A lot of these are going to be those like proficiency rewards, but essentially just find one that you qualify for, hit equip down in the bottom right again, and it's going to be applied immediately. And proficiency rewards are essentially just earned by completing challenges such as achievements, progression milestones, or special events. You can also assign a title to all heroes or make it hero specific just by hitting this tab right here. But that is how you can change your nameplate and title here in Marvel Rivals. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.